demonstrating the Moby crane with vacuum end effector. Moby crane is a simple up-down control and a vacuum on, vacuum off switch. Once you turn the vacuum on, you cannot accidentally turn off the vacuum and drop the product. All you do is turn on the vacuum, attach to the product, and you can raise it and go. And you have an articulating arm, very easy to maneuver. Get you to any of your workspaces. You come over to the surface you want to set it down on. Get the vacuum off. Raise up for your next operations. Okay.